Now that we have your attention, we'd like to introduce ourselves. We are Mystique Global Consulting, and this is how we think you, Google, should expand to increase your share of the cloud service technology market. Based on the existing market information of Google Cloud Computing business, we have developed marketing plans in line with the future development of Google Cloud based on visual analysis, all of which aim to increase the market share of Google Cloud. We have applied more than 10 dimensions of data in high-tech industry to analyze and verify the market space of Google Cloud. Additionally, we will propose 3 hypotheses and recommend future market strategies for Google's global expansion. Upon review of the high-tech industry, it became clear to us that Google is falling behind other top high-tech companies when it comes to cloud services. According to the data, of the 9,994 customers from which information was gathered, only 2,157 of the customers used Google Cloud services, which is roughly 21% of the market.
After reviewing the data provided on high-tech industry and your company specifically, we have created the following 3 hypotheses in order to better explain our recommendations for market expansion. Hypothesis 1. Google has the highest number of clients without IT departments. By comparing the quantity of client companies that have IT department, we have realized that more than 60% of our clients outsourced IT jobs. About 66% of growth companies use the Google Cloud first when they don't have an IT department. But when companies have IT departments, they will rarely use Google Cloud, but rather opt for Amazon and Microsoft products. When the clients want to save the cost and avoid the risk of having an IT department in operation, they need outsourcing and Google Cloud services. Hypothesis 2. Google customers choose. Most Amazon customers take the risk of being unsupported. Most Microsoft users are keen to choose basic services, yet more than 81% of Google customers choose the highest level of service. Although some of our customers may be budget conscious, they know the value of the best service and they are willing to pay for it. These valued clients are people who keep Google Cloud competent when Microsoft and Amazon products have more customer base. Hypothesis 3. Google can develop new clients in the shortest amount of time. In negotiations with mature companies, Google showed an average savings of more than an hour over Amazon and Microsoft. But Google's mature company clients share is the smallest of the 3 cloud computing providers.
In addition to our hypotheses, we have analyzed the marketing plan for the United States, which in turn can be applied to Google's expansion into new markets. The first step of this would be to expand sales promotion methods. The sales channel and trade show, as you can see through the graph, is completely blank. We need to expand the business in this field. Additionally, we need to establish a new negotiation strategy for the client. We should focus on high-value clients who need more than 250 hours of negotiation. We should also increase the promotion of monthly payment service. It is a general trend that the number of customers using monthly payments increases year by year. And lastly, we should further reduce product costs. Currently, the gross profit rate is the lowest among the 3 cloud computing providers. Now, the dream market for Google Cloud services would have the following traits. It would be a big market size with cheap marketing costs in a well-developed region. There would be customers who are budget and risk conscious and are willing to pay for premium services. Therefore, it is our recommendation that Google Cloud services expand to new growth markets. Pestle traits of such new growth markets include large populations that are leading to a big market size, image-driven and strong advertising, which leads to cheaper marketing costs, robust economies with many big cities and thus are well developed, complex distribution and medium political risk, which lead to budget and risk-conscious customers, as well as aspirational and status-driven customers who are willing to pay for premium services.
Such markets include Brazil, which awarded Microsoft about $352 million for cloud service, Russia, which saw a 25% growth in cloud services last year, India, which has expanded cloud services to the $214.3 billion public sector, China, which is the largest growing cloud services market in the world. Also, South Africa, which is the last battleground for the international cloud services providers. To succeed in the new growth market, we have to use the SOB principle, getting new customers, stealing customers from other companies, and let our old customers pay more. Africa is the last market with massive untaken new customers, and we need to compete with the other cloud service providers in countries like South Africa for new business chances. We should go to trade shows for more exposure to new clients. In countries with existing cloud service giants like China, we need to steal customers from competitors like Alibaba, which requires good promotion strategy. To let our old customers pay more, we need to put our outstanding premium service as our center of marketing and advertising. In this way, we shall succeed in the new growth market.
We hope you found our consultation helpful and interesting. We'd like to thank our team and thank you for listening to our consultation.